Hello, hello, it's MetaVerse Explorer here. It is the 11th of September, and this is Crypto News Today, because every time you go to sleep and you wake up, there's something new to cover in the crypto ecosystem. This time, we're having a look at the market at the moment. It is a little bit red on the USDC and the stablecoin side, but ETH is up 1.35%. Oh, Pepe's arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, Pepe is dancing for you in the bear market. He really needs your likes and subscribes. So let's go ahead and continue here. BNB is down a little bit. XRP is down. ADA is down. Everything is down at the moment. But we are seeing BTC dominance slowly reducing. We're going into a small altcoin season, which means it's risk on a little bit. I want you to be super careful when this happens, because as soon as risk on comes, people will start taking profits on altcoins, and people are going to forget about Bitcoin. But trust me, Bitcoin and Ethereum is slowly going to start rocking back up to the Ethereum space because of the merge that's about to happen. Now, there's not much actually happening in news at the moment, so I wanted to do a small video for Gitcoin grants. I'm not sure if you're aware, Gitcoin grants is like an Ethereum thing where they have something called quadratic funding. So if you want to donate to a cause in this granting phase, then the Gitcoin Foundation or the Ethereum Foundation also matches the funds with another set of funds. So let's say I might donate $1, but they actually end up getting like $10, okay? I'm going to try and show you here some of the different grants that we can look at. But first, I want to give you some alpha. I like to follow Olympio.lens. He's really good with airdrops and stuff, and he has his own kind of airdrop scanner to make sure you don't miss any airdrops that are due to you. So he said, and I'm going to cover this a little bit. Shout out to him, of course, but I'm going to also do the whole Gitcoin section so you can see what I'm going to be doing. Airdrop strategy, 14 birds with one stone, Gitcoin edition version 2. So this is directly related to the Gitcoin grants, okay? What is the strategy? Choose your favorite causes on Gitcoin, donate, help out Web3 expansion, and maybe, just maybe, you get airdrops in the future. A curated list of 14 Gitcoin birds. So myself, I like to donate at least $10, $5 to some of these projects. Sometimes they might like to reward you themselves. So Gitcoin 15 lasts until September 22. So you have around 11 days for this, for you to do this. One of OP's criteria was Gitcoin donation on Ethereum. Besides Ethereum, donating via ZK Sync plus Argent can be a good idea for, the ZK token, because we don't have a ZK Sync token, and of course Argent as well. All birds here have the quadratic funding. This means that your donation is matched. Okay, this is the little criteria for optimism. If you don't, I donated before, but I never used the Ethereum mainnet. I only use ZK Sync because it was very, very cheap. Now, Gitcoin created a trust bonus to prevent donation cyber attacks. If your account is trustworthy, your donations will weigh more for quadratic matching. Go to passport.gitcoin and you level up. I myself have leveled up as well. I just haven't gone through the KYC version. I've done my Twitter, I've done my GitHub as well, so that's as far as I can go at the moment. Make sure if you want your projects to receive more funding, you go ahead and do your increase your trust score. So let's go to number 1, DeFi Llama. You can go and search for DeFi Llama themselves, DeFi Llama, and let's see it come up. You might be able to get there. So they're currently only being donated $74, okay? That's crazy. That's crazy small amount for what the service that DeFi Llama does for you guys. So I'm not sure everyone is aware, but DeFi Llama is one of the best aggregators for information. On the left here, on the middle, you've got all the different chains, and it shows you all the TVL. Let's go to Ethereum, and it shows you who the highest TVL protocols are. We have MakerDAI, Lido, Uniswap, Curve, Aave, and they've got so many other stuff happening here. Excuse me, sorry. So, like, first thing, I always donate to DeFi Llama. They are amazing, okay? Number 2 is Stark DeFi, a DeFi solution hub for Starknet. They have an AMM, pools, minters, launchpad, liquidity lockers, and the rest. Let's have a look at them, shall we? How do I spell it? Stark DeFi. Stark DeFi. Let's see it here. Stark DeFi, your access portal to Starknet. They're currently, people are donating $3,000 to them, not bad. And they have a matching. So people are donating $3,000. Sorry, people are donating $3,000 here, but they're actually going to be getting $12,500. So every dollar really, really does count for them. Okay, so even if you can donate $1, $2, $3, that's fine, right? You're still helping them out. They'll get a matching grant, which is awesome. Loan Shark Tech, I'm sure if you guys can read this, right? Is a DeFi tool that aggregates and automates operations in lending protocols. Let's go ahead and look at them. I just love this. This is the kind of content I want to help create. To help projects build. By you donating just a small amount, and I'm sure even if you use ZK Sync, it's not going to cost you much at all. In all honesty, so it's not loading for some reason. Let's go ahead and reload that quickly. It thinks I'm a bot, but I'm not a bot. So let's go. Loan Shark, main round, lifetime funding. They've received 5,000 grants for this main. Look at that. We're donating 1.1k from 284 people, but they're actually getting matching funds of around $9,000. That's the quadratic funding is so powerful, so powerful. Let's read the next one. MetaMel Inc. Is a Web3 open source email platform. Send and receive with your wallet. Olympio.eth MetaMel link. This guy, I love it. He's like got his foot in everything. Zero Pool Network is a ZK. I'm really big on ZK technology. ZK privacy solution for sending assets, similar to Aztec and Tornado Mission. Awesome. I want to see that. LensStar is a decentralized and permissionless social media app built with Lens Protocol. Now, Lens Protocol is really good in my opinion. I haven't gotten into that space yet, but it's something that's on my list. Crypto is so huge, right? You don't have enough time to go through everything. And then LensTube as well is the same Lens Protocol, but their YouTube version of it. There's a Medium version of it, and then this is the YouTube version of it. It's on Polygon actually at the moment, and these guys will have a token later on down the line. Number 8, this one comes with a bit of alpha. Impersonator from Apor Valithi is a website that you can spoof any wallet on any protocol on Web3 website. Connect a Frax using Tetranode's wallet to see what he's doing. Awesome. Deep Bank on steroids, which is, I'm not sure I actually understand what is happening here, but it sounds like it's really good. You can connect using someone else's wallet. I guess that means you still can't sign a transaction because you don't hold the private keys, but you can like connect using them to see what they're holding. But first you need to find out who they are first. Number 9, buy.xyz. An interesting build your own Web3 world with your wallet activities built on top of ENS domains. Interesting concept. Social gaming metaverse based on on-chain activity created using ENS and wallet activity, enabling the easy visualization of on-chain identities. Number 10, SyncSwap is a DEX on ZK Sync. Yes, anything ZK Sync, I'm going to be donating to because I think it is the superior technology from what I've heard. I'm not a dev. I'm not a technically inclined, like a tech-inclined person I am, but like I don't know how any of these blockchains actually work on the consensus layer, like SHA-265. I know what algorithm it is, but I don't know. I don't know. Like this as far as I know. I know the difference between a proof of stake and proof of work, but for some of these other ones, I don't know what they're actually doing on the code side. I can't read the code. So SyncSwap, I will definitely be donating to them. FileVerse is a tool for file sharing and collaboration between addresses, encrypted and private. Let's go ahead and see if we can find them. FileVerse. FileVerse. They're getting $5,000 even though people are donating $741 for 137 people. That's awesome, man. LlamaPay from 0x Not Gonna Make It. Nice. It's a platform to stream salaries similar to Superfluid. Many DeFi protocols use it, like Convex and Yearn. Try them. Nice. I really like that. Fibrous Finance is a DEX aggregator in Starknet. Live in testnet. Test this and donate there. Via Protocol is a bridge aggregator with DEX capabilities, similar to Li-Fi Protocol. I've actually used Via Protocol. It was for the Arbitrum Odyssey videos. And he'll be announcing community-led quest for earn drops soon, and it will be announced in LensStar first. It will be kept to XX amount of people, so first come, first serve, don't miss it. Make sure you go ahead and do, because this guy has really great information sometimes. Also, and for the Birds algorithm, it takes a lot of research, support, and interaction with the first tweet, so interact with the first tweet, make sure you like it as well. I'm going to go ahead and go to the Gitcoin grant section. I want to see a lot of the different grants that are here. You can sort by lots of different things. You can sort by trending, what's undiscovered, or you can just go A to Z and go through all of them. But that's 3,000 of them, so you can't go through all of them, right? Who has the highest match amount? I want to actually see who's having the highest match at the moment. This kind of gives you an idea of the importance of a lot of these protocols. ETHStaker, the home for Ethereum staking guides, educational content, and technical support. Wow, raising 949 from 320 people, but they're having a match of 67,000. That's crazy. 67,000. That's a lot. L2 Beat, which I've made a video myself over at Collective Shift. 65,000 they're raising, which is really, really good. Blue, DAO, via First One Stop Dex and Bridges Aggregator. Fire, build Web3 world with your wallet activities. Refi, Crypto Tribe, Lighthouse, Ethereum Consensus Client. MetaMail, we've seen them before. ChainEye, Ethereum on ARM. Lenstar. Lenstar is really good. Lexdao, ETH Limo, your privacy-focused ENS gateway. And we have a whole bunch of little, minute, smaller projects and protocols that might be coming up. But like I say, this is just like if you took any bit of profit in crypto, please consider donating to some of these Ethereum projects that are coming up, like DeFi Llama and LensTube. These two are definitely on my list, as well as SyncSwap on zkSync, even Jedi Swap as well. I'm going to donate to a lot of these guys. It's not going to be a lot. $3 each, $2 each if I can. Spread it all out because I just want to help everyone. And I want them to get those quadratic funding applied to them. All right, that's it. That's 12 minutes now. I just wanted to end there. Make sure you donate in Gitcoin Grants 15. It is a good cause. It won't cost you much. You can do a small amount, and the fees are nearly negligible, especially on zkSync. So that's it for now. Ciao. This has been MetaVerse Explorer. Make sure you like and subscribe for me. I'll see you tomorrow.